Setting up Revolut Junior on Apple Pay is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first of all, open the Revolut Junior application. Then go to the Cards tab. Then tap on the Add to Apple Pay button below your card details. If you don't see the Add to Apple Pay button, you can also open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone and tap on the hashtag sign. After that, select your Revolut Junior card from the list of cards. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may involve entering your Revolut PIN or using Face ID or Touch ID. Once your card is verified, you will be able to use it with Apple Pay. Using Apple Pay with Revolut Junior card, you need to hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. If you are prompted, authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then your payment will be processed.